Using the color picker in the Edit module, you can adjust the hue, saturation, and shade of a masked area. What if you want to take a dark color to a much lighter one, or vice versa? We have blending modes similar to Photoshop that you can explore to get closer to your desired color match. In our example, we have a dark brown sweater, and we'll use Smart Select to add a mask. We're going to go from dark chocolate brown to a pastel lavender shade. Depending on the starting color of your garment or accessory, each blending mode has a different effect. As a default, you'll start in Smart Blending mode, which generally gives the best result of changing the color without affecting the saturation. I'll start by graying out the color and then getting it closer to the desired color level. I won't go all the way from dark to light. I'll get it to a medium shade of purple that feels realistic and hit apply. I'll reselect the area and now explore the blending modes to find the best one. Normal has no blending at all. Multiply, which multiplies the colors on top of each other and helps if you are going from lighter shades to darker. Color burn gives you darker effects and brings out definition in the color. This is also a good choice for going from lighter to darker colors. Screen lightens colors. Color dodge makes the color very saturated. Overlay and hard light boost contrasts. Soft light gets you to more of that pastel shade since it applies a gentle lightening effect. Luminosity is good for precise control over brightness. Since we're going from dark to light, we're going to use color dodge and lower the opacity so the saturation isn't too bright. Soft light also would have worked here. We can adjust the opacity slider until we get closer to our chosen hue. Click Apply and your new shade is ready.